Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how I make 5 of my favorite smoothie recipes. These smoothies are so colorful and great for every single day of the week. They're also packed with proteins to keep you energetic and productive throughout your week. We're going to start with a fun, colorful smoothie that is perfect to start the week with. We're making this strawberry smoothie that is packed with antioxidants, plus it's so colorful it will make your morning bright. So I have my smoothie blender here ready to blend. I'm going to grab some fresh strawberries and throw them into the blender. Next, we're adding some raspberries. Throw those right in. Then we're going to add some kiwis. We're also adding some orange juice and a little bit of honey to sweeten things up. Go ahead and blend it all together until very smooth. Then you can pour this into a glass or a jar and it is ready to be enjoyed. Look at how bright and refreshing this smoothie is. It just makes your Monday morning beautiful. Next smoothie we're making is a great energy booster. It's this tropical smoothie that is packed with proteins to keep you full in the morning. It all starts with some tropical fruits. I have some pineapples going into my blender. We're also adding some mangoes. Toss in some peaches. Then we're going to pack this with protein. So I have some granola going in. Next, we're adding some vanilla yogurt and orange juice. Time to blend it all together until very smooth. Pour that into a glass and this yumminess is ready to serve. This smoothie is so good. It's the perfect breakfast smoothie. You guys are going to love it. Next is my favorite go-to breakfast smoothie. We're making this protein-packed apple pie smoothie. This is a great smoothie for you if you're into strength training. We're going to toss some apples into the blender. Next, we're adding some bananas. Then we're going to build up some proteins. So I have some oatmeal going in together with some walnuts. For extra protein, I'm adding vanilla protein powder. Next, we're adding cinnamon and some milk. Then it is time to blend until smooth. Go ahead and pour that into your jar and it is ready to be enjoyed. This smoothie is so good. It seriously tastes like apple pie and my kids love this for breakfast. I love this next one. It's so refreshing. We're going to make this amazing blueberry power smoothie that is packed with antioxidants to keep you going. It all starts with some fresh blueberries. Go ahead and throw them into your blender. Next, we're going to add some oranges. I'm using mandarines. I have some bananas going in as well. And we're also adding some kiwis. Pour in some milk and a little bit of honey to sweeten things up. Then we are ready to blend. Time to pour it up and enjoy. You guys, I love this smoothie because the blueberries help reduce cholesterol and prevent heart disease, which is amazing. The final smoothie we're making is this avocado and spinach smoothie. I know it sounds strange, but it's actually really good and highly nutritious. We're going to grab some avocados and toss them into the blender. We're also adding some spinach. And in this bowl, I have some matcha green tea powder. I'm gonna add that right in. Then we're adding some vanilla protein powder. Last, we're adding some milk. Then it is time to blend until smooth. Go ahead and pour that into your jar and it is ready to be enjoyed. This green smoothie is very creamy and surprisingly delicious. It is packed with super nutrients that are very life-changing. If you guys would love to make these amazing smoothies we've made today, go ahead and check out the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!